Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, I want to get straight to the point in this video. I am reshooting this intro to the video because since I've shot this video, I have went ahead and some of you may have noticed I've changed my channel name. And the reason I did that is because on YouTube I always feel like I started off with just clothes and makeup, face and fashions. That's clothes and makeup. That's where I got the name from. And so with my grandchildren in the picture now, I see that I'm evolving even more, and I'm including them in my videos and how to put together, how to assemble baby furniture, and I'm getting a lot of views on those. So those are pretty good for my channel. So I wanted a name that's gonna always grow with me, something I'm not gonna have to change, not something that's gonna label me. So I thought Love Street. Anything that's on my channel is probably gonna be something I love, so therefore Love Street. And also, it's one of my favorite songs ever by The Doors. If you never heard it, go check it out. It's a good song. It's a good classic song. So that's my new name, and here is my Stitch Fix for the month of October. Okay, so I already have the first two items on, so we're going to start with the top. And the top is by Pink Clover, and this is the Colin long sleeve pullover in the color copper, size large, for $48. Now let's go over some of the details on this. Now this is not a bad price, $48 in Stitch Fix world, but I think I could find something similar at Walmart's for probably $20. But you know, this is how Stitch Fix gets you, because you already, it's in your house and it's on your body and you like it. And I like this color, but I think I'm gonna show some restraint and send this back, because even though I like the color, I think the price is too high for what it is. And let me come in close, because basically we can all see they're calling it a pullover, and it's nice. It fits great. It has these little slits right here, and I think the color is absolutely fabulous for fall. But let's call it what it is. It's basically a thermal top. You can just see by the weave of it, like right here, that is completely a thermal top. So for $48, I don't know. I don't think I want to spend that much, even though I freaking love this color, and I think it would make such a great basic piece. This put on a denim jacket, oh, this is a great piece to have. And it's really thin thermal too, which I really like. It's not really hot and heavy, so that makes it a great layering piece too. So the color and the lightweightness of it, is that a word? I don't know, but I like that feature about it. But $48, I know that's cheap in Stitch Fix world, but still, I don't know. Okay, and then I just paired it with these 1822 Butter Winter Skinny Jeans in the color Indigo for $44. Okay, overall, these are very comfortable jeans. They are very, very stretchable. And that's the downfall for me. These are so stretchable that this waist right here, like it comes out so far that when I sit down, it's almost like they fall down. You would have to wear a belt with these. It has too much spandex in it, I think. But for that reason, I'm not keeping them. Even though it's a great price, I have a lot of skinny jeans right now, and we are getting more into straight leg. And I don't have that many straight legs. I'm a skinny jean girl. And so I have a lot of skinny jeans, so I don't really think I would want them anyway. But this waist is big. It's too big. You have to wear a belt. But they're nice, good length, basic. I like this shirt with my little leopard print flats. I think that looks good. See, I'm gonna try to sell myself on this shirt. I know I am. I gotta stop it. I gotta stop it just because they're going with my shoes. But the jeans are a definite no. We know that for sure. Here's the next item out, and this is by the company Fate. And this is a Clarissa textured pullover blouse in the color taupe, size large for $68. Yeah, 68. That's quite a lot, so I don't know about that. But let's go over some of the details. I'll come in close so you can see the texture of the shirt or of the sweater, pullover, or whatever you want to call it. It is very soft. It has a very, very comfortable feeling. It's not a super thick sweater, which I like. It's more like not lightweight, but not heavy either. So I would say a medium weight. It comes down pretty long. I think you could wear this with leggings. It looks pretty long to me, but I'm not a big legging person, so I would just wear it with some skinny jeans like I have on right now. And I think the length is pretty good on the arms also. But with all that said, besides the price, $68, I'm not in love with, so I'm not going to keep it for that reason. And this one also is letting me know that this is going to be, you're going to have to treat this top with kid gloves, because when I turn around, I think it's right over here somewhere, there's a couple pieces of yarn already coming loose. I'll try to zoom in so you can see that. Now, if it's already doing that straight out of the box, can you imagine what's going to happen after you wash it once or twice? So for that reason, I'm probably going to send it back. I think it's nice. I think it's lovely. I think if you are a person who will take the time, I know a lot of people will put a lot of love and care into caring for their clothes, but I'm more a wash and wear person. Okay, so I have 2 more blouses coming up, and I'm really excited about these. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next item out of the box, and this is a Daniel Rain pleated knit top in the color gray, size large, for $58. Okay, so if you guys watch my channel on the regular, you know I'm a big Daniel Rain fan. I love all his tops, and there's very few tops that I don't like of his, and this one does not disappoint. Okay, so let's go over some of the details of this. It is a pleated top, and right here I'll try to come in close so you can see the pleating detail. This is why it says it's pleated, and it comes all the way down and then just flares out just enough. That's what I like about his tops. It doesn't hug and snug in any way. I love the print. I love a good floral print, and I love a good 3/4 length sleeve. And this one has a little cute button detail right here. It's not elastic at all. It's nice and soft and comfortable. I just love it. I think it goes great with a pair of jeans. This is how I would wear it. I think it had a little button detail right there, but I did not have to undo the button. I just slipped it on over my head. And it has these cute, very, very, very small puff detail sleeves right there. And I like that. It's a very feminine style top. And that's my thing. That's what I like. I like a lot of feminine details. I love a floral. I love a little puff. I love a little pleat. This shirt, I already know I'm keeping it. This is going to be another Daniel Rain top for me. Okay, here's the last item out of the box, and you see me smiling. This is a 41 Hawthorne, and this is a mint bell sleeve blouse in size large for $64. Okay, guys, oh boy, I'm gonna have some hard choices on this box. Okay, so let's talk about this shirt. First off, I like it. I love the blue in it. I think it goes great with a pair of jeans. First off, I like that about it. And I like some of the feminine details. This has a ton of feminine details. And first off, I know there's going to be people who love these sleeves or who dislike these sleeves. But personally for me, I like it. I think it's unique and cute and feminine. And that is a nice bell sleeve top or a bell sleeve. And the cute extra bonus detail right here, it has this little here, I'm going to try to hold it where you can see it has a little bow right there. That just makes it a little extra something special. And I just like the way it lays. It's very lightweight. And this is the way it looks on the side and in the back. Overall, it has a nice V-neck right here. And it just feels nice against the skin. It is a polyester shirt, very lightweight. So, like I said, this is $68. So here's my dilemma. If this was a 5 for $5 box, I wouldn't be having this dilemma, but this is not a 5 for $5 box because the jeans I totally dislike. I said the waistline, they're too much spandex. I feel like they're falling down on me. So here's what I'm thinking. This textured pullover for $68. I'm going to send this back. It was an absolute love, not as much as I'm liking these shirts. And this one, the very first one that I liked the color, and I was almost really sold on this. After seeing these two tops, it's definitely going to go back. Nice, I like the color, but I have these two choices. And here's my dilemma. I like both of these shirts. But here's where I'm going to land on this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick the Daniel Rain top. I've already made up my mind because I feel this is more fall, where I feel this is more spring. And this is 68 and this is 58. So that's what? I'm not good at math. $120 if I were to buy two shirts. And I just simply, truth be, I can't afford that right now in my budget. I have two twin granddaughters and they're taking a good chunk of my little money there. So I have got to be a little bit more practical and I can't spend $120 for two blouses. So I have to pick one. And I think the winner for me is going to be Daniel Rain because I feel this is more fall and this is more spring. That's the only reason. I love both of them. I think they're both great tops. So even though I picked the Daniel Rain, I would love to hear what your favorites were. What were your favorites in the box? What would you have picked if you were me? We all have different styles and tastes. I love to hear everybody's opinion. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great week and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.